Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about location and peak pay. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, TKK Kearney. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And because I was pretty neck deep in scripting out another video today, and I don't really have a whole lot of time today, I wanted to make a quick video on some of the screenshots that I was sent. And quite frankly, this is an interesting perspective that I'm seeing, especially because this is such an important point that I drive home so often. Location, location, location. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this email and what is being displayed in these DoorDash screenshots, what she is saying versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market to market and case by case. What applies to me and my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Hello, Joe from Texas. Just sending a different perspective on peak pay here, noting the morning and afternoon times. One of these areas is more rural. See you and Brother Bud on the next video. First off, on that latter point, if you guys aren't checking out our Gone Wild live streams and podcasts, make sure to check that out because we cut down our live streams into more digestible clips and have them posted there. And also, our live streams for football season is going to be Fridays at 9 p.m. And then we're probably going to switch it back to Thursday, but I don't know if we officially decided that yet. So big heads up for those who are actually into the live streams. Secondly, let's have a look at these photos. North side, north line is surrounded by all of these other zones. I'm going to assume that this is the more populated area and is 6:13, I want to say, is that morning or night? Yeah, that's definitely the morning one. And we're seeing $1.50 per order. It is $1.50 in order peak pay until 7:29. And then at 1:30 until 1:59 in an area that is seemingly not surrounded by any other zones is also $1.50, but is in the most rural area possible. So orders are naturally going to take longer to complete simply by the distance. Now, the only thing I'm not seeing is what are the afternoon peak pays in all the other surrounding areas, but nevertheless, I will say this, don't chase peak pay, but if you're going to be online in the early mornings, make sure that your standards are right and everything else. Again, never chase peak pay like a moth to a flame. And make sure to check out my other videos about peak pay, challenges, flash boosts recently. They're all in the DoorDash Driver Masterclass playlist. Check all of them out. I make sure that all of these videos are as educational as possible. Also, I'm not super familiar with the Texas area as well. Me trying to guess which one is more rural could be me talking out my ass. That's just my assumption based on how I know DoorDash to be. Regardless, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, check out my website, drivenwyld.com, to learn more about some of the other platforms that we have available. I'm in the process of converting a lot of the videos I have here and putting them all into there. That's why there's a lot of excuse videos going on right now. Like, I'm trying to make new scripts while at the same time convert the old scripts, which is just a lot already on top of the work I already do. And make sure to check out my Patreon for exclusive clips from the Gone Wild live stream and full live stream replays anywhere else that you can't find anywhere else. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and